Hey, what's in there?
It's a bag with makeup.
What is it?
Ooh, they both got makeup.
Too much hurry, just tear out the paper.
What is it?
A tie-dye kit.
Oh, that's cool.
We didn't even look at your clothes. What'd you get?
See that damn skirt.
What did you really wanted? Bella, the messenger thing. I didn't think I got new clothes.
Yay!
Who are you gonna give the other one to?
Kind of good.
I'm not gonna give my stuff to anybody. I'm keeping all of it.
Bella, I want to see your clothes. What'd you get?
I got more clothes.
And more clothes.
No, there we go. Now you got more room.
Okay, good job.
Whoa.
What is it?
The hoodie.
I bet she got close enough.
And Sophie got a hoodie too.
Oh! I can get it to my piano. I know what it is.
It's a thing that you wanted at Walmart, you weirdo.
Be nice. You weirdo, she says.
What is it?
It's my phone.
Oh.
Wait, let me see.
She wants to hook it up to her piano.
What, Dad? Those are
Full
Yeah, whenever.
voltage
open it one on
karaoke microphone stand.
Okay, that presents
But it's
are
way over
done.
there.
I'm opening
These are someone
Sophie, can you
else's.
find the gifts that say Grandpa on them? Or John on them?
Yeah, no shit.
And Mom. From them from school. All that pretty wrapping paper is just blah.
Who said that?
Sophie, that
What's
present
it?
that I gave you, are you gonna open it?
Hey, one of you can open those two things for Rudolph, I think.